So in this video I'm going to show you how to save your ship from a completely dead, cold and wet state. And in order to create that state, I'm going to trigger a reactor meltdown. And it's like if you don't know how this exactly works, basically it's like, remember when you buy a new microwave and you don't read the manual and you don't know what defrosting and all the different programs mean. So you just start playing around on it until something interesting happens. So we turn off automatic control. Increase the fission rate and lower the turbine speed. And now we quickly leave this room and hide in a safe place on the ship. The basic steps to save your ship are: get protection for yourself, which means get a diving mask. And if it's a large hull breach, you need to get a diving suit, because once the outside pressure is similar to inside pressure, the pressure will kill you very quickly. Okay, now we had a reactor meltdown, which should have created a huge hole in the ship, and now it's falling towards the ocean floor. Okay, so first you get yourself diving equipment, then you weld all the holes in the ship, and then you take care of the reactor and the reactor systems in the bottom area. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at normal pressure here, because this area is sealed off from that place. Well, if I open it, now the water is rising. No, you don't have much time until the pressure is the same. So you take a diving suit, put it on, and you take some extra tanks, because you might need those. Okay, now my character is safe from the pressure and I got enough breathing oxygen. The next point is to get yourself engineering equipment. On this basic dugong ship, it's most of the engineering equipment, if you don't have crew members that are on the ship, you can find in this locker, I think. Okay, so we got the welder, we got wrench and a screwdriver. So the first thing you want to do is to fix all the holes in the ship. In case you have a reactor meltdown, most of the damage will be concentrated around the reactor. I think the Wikipedia says that it's about 7.5 meters is the blast radius for the reactor. Okay, so I think now we fixed most of the relevant hull breach areas. Now the next problem is to start repairing the reactor and the relevant systems to pump the water out, which is the reactor, the main pumps and the ballast tanks and the main pump, and the junction boxes and the batteries, because they deliver the power to different parts of the ship. Now the problem is, things that are submerged will take damage over time, so you have to hurry up a bit in those areas. So for this situation, I'm going to go a junction box and repair. Now, if you're repairing a damaged ship, you're sort of running on borrowed time, because until you get the oxygen generators functioning again, you're running on the fuel on the oxygen tanks you have on the ship, which paradoxically gets more problematic if you got more surviving crew members on the ship. You don't have to repair all of them, you just have to repair those that deliver things to the pumps. But currently I'm not sure exactly which junction boxes for the pumps, I'm just going to do all of them. Okay, let's start with the reactor. I've put the new rod in and put it to automatic control. Let's see if it can start up. Okay, I think now the pump should start working. And there you go. Now the base systems are getting pumped out and damage will stop for the reactor and electrical systems. You might have to go back to these systems to get them back out. So that's basically it. If you get the core systems for the electricity for the ship working, you get the pumps working, and you get the oxygen generators going, then you basically can't survive indefinitely, unless the fuel rods run out of fuel. But it takes a much longer time. Okay, now let's see how the rest of the ship looks. Basically, that's an indicator of how well you're doing with the repairs. If the water starts decreasing in most of the ship, the pumps are working. However, if the water starts getting back in, then you might have overlooked some type of leak in some area. And now we got the main systems working. I still haven't fixed the engine. Also, you can see over here, if you click on electrical, you can see which systems are damaged.